Charlie, what are you making? What are you making? Gingerbread house. What are you making it with?
What you eating?
Want me to take a picture of
What are
it?
you eating, Charlie?
Ooh, look at that. Look at. Is the house yummy, Charlie? Say yummy. Yep. What are you eating?
No, balls.
Balls. Are they candy?
Yep.
Yep. Do you like them?
Yep.
Charlie, who's coming in a few days?
Mama. No,
Mom.
Mama.
Me? Or is Santa Claus coming?
Because
Santa Claus. What is he going to bring you? A garbage truck? What else is he going to bring you? Trucks
Cars.
and cars. Anything else?
No.
No? Can you say Merry Christmas? Can you say Merry Christmas? Look at Mommy.
Help.
Help you?